Welcome to the YouTube channel of Shet Vidya Mandir English High School. Children, this is the first part of the reteaching video of chapter number 11, Transportation in Animals and Plants. Children, in this video we will revise the chapter. We will start now. In most animals, the blood that circulates in the body distributes food and oxygen to different cells of the body. It means, children, with the help of blood, the food and oxygen passes to all the parts of the body. It also carries waste products to different parts of the body for excretion. Not only food and oxygen, the blood also carries the waste. Circulatory system consists of the blood vessels and heart. In humans, blood flows through arteries and veins. These arteries and veins are the blood vessels, and the heart acts as the pumping organ. Pumping organ means it is purifying the blood. Blood consists of plasma, RBC, RBC means red blood cells, WBC means white blood cells, and platelets. Blood is red due to the presence of red pigment, which is called as hemoglobin. The human heart beats about 70 to 80 times per minute in an adult person, and this is called as heart rate. Arteries carries blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Children, arteries always carries the oxygenated blood. Veins carry blood from all the parts of the body back to the heart. It carries the deoxygenated blood. Removal of waste products from the body is called as excretion. Excretory system of humans consists of 2 kidneys, 2 ureters, a urinary bladder, and urethra. Salts and urea are removed along with water as sweat. Fish excrete waste substances such as ammonia, which directly dissolve in water. Birds, insects, and lizards excrete uric acid in semi-solid form. Water and minerals are absorbed by roots from the soil. Nutrients are transported along with water to the entire plant via the vascular tissue, which is called as xylem. It means xylem helps in the transportation of water and minerals. The vascular tissue for the transportation of food to the various parts of the body is called as phloem. A lot of water is lost by plants in the form of water vapors through stomata during the process of transpiration. Transpiration generates a force which pulls up water absorbed by the roots from the soil to reach the stem and leaves.